Hello again, my Bungo lovelies, and welcome to Zany Anime React.
Hello.
Totally forgot about him. Who cares about him anyway?
Bitch.
We continue with the story of the supposedly perfect crime. And of course, our perfect detective.
Yeah, perfect crime that has more or less been debunked completely by the perfect detective.
Let's go, Rabo!
Mr. Rival, he doesn't even have his own identity.
箕浦さん、その話題の推理作家殺しってどんな事件なんですか？
第一発見者は旅館の女将。
I'll be honest, that would scare the fuck out of me. Oh!
It was a doll, no wonder.
But why the fuck would you cut their ears off? I don't get it. It's about making a statement?
事件の最大の謎は殺害状況がこれが世間を賑わす通称
その最終話を読めば
He doesn't enjoy passive.
だものの正体もわかると踏んだのであるが犯人は被害者と旧知で動機は積年の怨恨
Yeah, because if the story was never out, it could only mean it's someone he knows.
直筆ではなくコピーであるなぜ
What the?
Ravens, ravens!
Oh, that was his ringtone. Oh my fucking god.
なぜ自分で驚く
めったに着信しないので
隠滅屋と金田一殺しが同一犯証拠ならある、この原稿だ。
What?
ぜこいつがこの原稿を持ってる。
やっぱり心当たりがあった。展望台2階の土産屋にね、すぐに中を確認した。するとなぜか最終ページだけコピーだった。手元に原本を残すためなら全ページコピーする。
Maybe only the last page has something about the murder?
急遽近場で印刷したのでは。
Oh, okay, never mind.
で、近所の文具屋を覗いてみた。内容がまずいなら抜いて捨てればいい。原本の最終ページは捨ててない。持ち物検査されると困るから近くに隠したんだろう。名前は
Oh
道
no.
具の石太郎。
ありがとう。これで全ての情報が揃ったよ。君が2つの事件の犯人だ。
I knew he was gonna say that.
And why? No, although, okay. Ranpo is really smart, but sometimes he's just a. Yeah, this is exactly why I did not want him to speak.
代金を払わない荷物だ
Cargo that doesn't pay.
でも彼にはある。
銃をしまえ逃がしや。探偵に口実を与えるな。
Oh, okay.
銃って面白いよね。持つとなぜか全員バカになる。悪いけど、最初からこの状況が目的だ。
And you more or less admitted to your crime by pulling out the gun. Yeah, that driver is getting sacked immediately.
私は正式な外交職員であり外交団ナンバーであるこの社内では刑事裁判権が免除される
Damn. Okay, so they knew what they were doing.
But does he have the same type of ID?
銃は威嚇か。ヒョードルの入れ知恵だな。
留置場の同僚によろしく。
No, you do not talk about Kunikida like that, bitch.
Bastard.
Ah, now he's pissed. Ranpo left something.
携帯電話に異国語の文章。
虫太郎君、君の勝ちだ。最初から分かっていた。一般人は異能力者には勝て
Nah, you're more than ordinary, friend.
僕は君を倒す。なぜなら、仲間が僕を無敵だと思っているから。
Ah. Oh, is it the same magic as Poe? Yeah, it's the same magic as what Poe does.
奴は異能力者ではないはずだ。にも見えん。
Or did Poe use his ability on the phone?
Probably.
Can he do that?
Oh my god, he sent him into the book. He sent him into the killer novel.
違うだろう横溝。と君は言った。
I knew it.
随分被害者と親しいようだね。
この程度の罠で出し抜いたつもりか。さっきも言った通り、必要なのは証拠だ。
He doesn't need evidence.
But sometimes, even without evidence, a confession is a confession.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. He doesn't need evidence. He just needs him to confess.
だがこの の作品は金田一殺しの現場。
And he knows the ending.
すれば瞬時に現実の車中に戻れる。
Yeah.
But what if Poe has changed the ending?
He probably has.
確かにね。だが君は出ていかない。僕の話を全部聞いた後、自首する。
Dang.
人を自滅へと駆り立てる動機は2つだけ。狂気と使命だ。
選べ横溝。刺殺、毒殺、虐殺、撲殺。どれがいい？
Poisoning.
お前を殺す話だ。
なんだ。いや、でも本当に殺人のネタちょうだい。今月締め切りやばくて。
またそれか。
どれほど特別なミステリーを世に出そうと、次の瞬間には領域の一角に押し込められる。究極のミステリーは存在し得ないのだ。
I mean, it can as long as you have this guy's ability.
学生時代から友人がいないのも納得で。
友人皆無は君も同じだろう。
私が殺した。この手で奴をくびり殺した。ついと狂気を持ってな。
Literally your only friend in the world.
Yeah.
貴様に撃てる手などもはや。
君は殺していない。
What?
できすぎてる。これではまるで台本だ。
Is he trying to cover up for something?
狂言劇。つまり彼は自殺だ。だが効果は絶大。普段読まない人までが事件に熱狂し推理した。現実に侵食するミステリーだ。
Then what about the ears? His ears are chopped off.
I don't know. He wanted to be Van Gogh or something.
負の眼種だ。持っている
あー
その前に究極のミステリーを完成させる。自作自演が途中で露見すれば台無しだ。それには本物の動機と殺意を持った現実の犯人がいる。
Talk to some prisoners?
それを君に頼みたい。
その通りだ。見事ではないか探偵。もちろん快諾したよ。憎い相手を殺せるのだぞ。
Did he really despise him though? I don't get it.
ならなぜこの原稿を隠した？量も文字が滲んでいるから当然完成後についたものだ。原稿が完成したばかりの逆順。つまり最終ページが一番上に置かれた状態でついた。
Is your tears?
その全てを考えれば理由は一つしかない。
Enlighten us.
I'm pretty sure he wasn't happy doing this.
やはり君は唯一の。
Yep, I knew it. It's his tears.
被害者と犯人が共犯なら推理自体が不毛だ。究極どころかミステリーとすら呼べなくなる。
証拠はない。
この原稿の秘密を公表するだけで十分なんだ。自殺かもしれない。狂言かも。
And nobody will read it, and he doesn't want that his friend's final book to be not read.
探偵者の誰も傷つけさせない。そのために記憶し取り込んだ。魔人そのもの。自首しなければ今の仮説を公表する。魂
Oh, it feels.
僕の新たなる武器だ。
Detective killers?
Like him. He's giving the Fyodor aura.
ダメだ。それだけはダメだ。私は横溝が嫌いだ。
Did you though?
嫌いでなくてはならないのだ。
I think he's trying to convince himself that he did. He was always around, talking to him and all that.
彼が異能力を解除したんだ。これで国木田も放免される。
身代わり死体の顔であるが。
That's a decoy corpse. Okay, he did not kill him then.
フョードルからもらった死体を落としただけ。
Damn.
そこに潜入中の特務課員が正体を暴かれる手前の危機らしい。言って助けてやれ。約束したろ。困った時は仕事を紹介するって。
君は僕を笑うだろうね。己が命を砕いてまでミステリーを極めんとするなんて。ならば
Well, everybody loses their lighter at one point.
何を価値とし
Oh, it's burning the last page. Nobody will know.
それを世界自体とすることが人間に許された最大の贅沢なのだから。
I don't like this post-credit kind of scene. I feel like he's about to die. White hair. Nah, don't trust him.
事故ですか。
Don't trust him.
殺人事件だよ。被 害者は君さ。
Oh my god, this voice. You can never expect something good from Dio's voice.
私は誰でしょうか。私の名前はニコライ。
Russian.
私は何しに来たでしょうか。ヒントは後始末。答え。後始末。私たちの次の計画を知る人間の消去だ。
Oh, Vero, it's Roswell as well. I just remembered. You can just tell by Xantex.
Dear God.
Five angels hit. No, he's about to die. He's dead. No.
I knew he was gonna die.
The beginning of the end, this feels like.
Look, I knew Perfect Crime Guy was going to die.
It was pretty much a given. You know this guy's involved with Fyodor, then there is a good chance that they will be the target if, they're ever caught.
Not only that, but do you remember when Fyodor was getting him out of jail? Kind of exchange information. The guy was like, what do you get out of this? Over here, Perfect Crime Guy. Don't ask me to remember his name, guys. He was doing things that benefited both him and Fyodor. I mean, there was a lot of stuff he was doing for personal gain, but he got too, as usual, overconfident with his abilities.
That's entirely why it was stupid of Ranpo to just let him go with one police officer, getting him taken in by just one police officer. When you know that someone like Fyodor has people all around the globe, not just Japan, all around the globe to do his dirty work. So just one police officer is not going to cut it, especially if they're not even an ability user.
You think more than one was gonna be enough against
No,
that?
I mean at least like a couple of agency guys would have helped. But I guess one of them is in jail. Maybe they cannot spare manpower. Either way, point is, I feel like he could have been saved with more care, but I guess it's good for the story that he died, because if he just reveals the plans to agency, then it would be only a 4-season show, not 5. Bruh. And this new guy, Nikolai, I'm sorry, I might just call him Roswell because of his voice.
I was about to say, did you really think that, more police guys were gonna go up against white hair Roswell? But no, they weren't going to.
And it didn't even look like he shot him. It was more like he just created a portal, and there's some guy sitting in a room, pulled out his hand out of the portal, shot the guy, and just left. He's like fucking Doctor Strange.
We don't even know how many portals he can create.
I mean, he only needs one for a blicky. I just want this Nikolai to die a little painful death. I want to hear his screams, because I know this voice actor can do good screams.
He can do.
And the worst part is, he's also the voice actor of Takasugi. I have both love and hate relationship with this. I will say that I did not expect that the guy committed suicide. So in a way, I guess that mystery novel did succeed.
It was sort of more like a murder-suicide.
Yeah, I was about to ask, can you call that suicide though? If you ask someone to kill you, it's a gray area.
I'm gonna die anyway, so I need you to kill me.
That's messed up, bro. We have seen that in many shows and movies. While I get the sentiment that you don't want to live anymore, I don't think you should put that kind of burden on someone you like or love or whatever.
Use some pills, but don't ask somebody to fucking murder you.
That's the entire point, because he wanted to create a real life murder mystery, not a book. What he wanted to write was a real life murder mystery, and he needed someone to kill him for that.
He wanted to transcend. He would, as long as nobody actually got the last chapter.
I'm glad that the author kind of did transcend, and his friend did make sure that happened. But now both of them are dead, and the last chapter is burnt, so his legacy lives on.
I mean, if you want to call that a legacy.
I mean, that's what he wanted.
It's a mystery we can't figure out because we don't have the last pages.
And every fucker who knew is dead.
Well, no. Rampo did burn the last
guess,
page. They could get their hands on the 4th chapter. He did burn the last page.
Imagine if Ranpo was a complete dickhead, and as soon as he heard the gunshots, he was like, you know what, I'm gonna reveal this to the entire world and make their deaths for not for nothing.
I'm sympathetic here. I know you didn't want to do this. I know you cried while you were doing this, so I'm gonna help you out. He fucked up that way. He fucked up.
Well, that was the end of the episode. If you liked it, do comment, do share, do like, and do subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
As he said, please do like, but most importantly, please subscribe. Bye.